So far, we've been dealing with deductive arguments and deductive inferences. And you might say deductive arguments, they are give you conclusive reasoning. They guarantee that if you start with truth, you end up with truth. But let's consider another argument. Almost all logic students did well on the test. John is a logic student, therefore, John did well on the test. And it would seem that if you knew that the premises were true, you'd have a pretty good reason for thinking that the conclusion is true. You know, we think that that's the case. That seems right, that those premises lead you, in quote, logically. It's a good inference to that conclusion. It looks like there's a good, and we want to say that that's a well-formed connection between the premises and conclusion. But is this argument valid? Is it valid? How do we go about seeing if it's valid? Well, it's not going to be in any of our patterns because we never have something like almost all in any of our patterns at all. So somehow we're going to have to find the answer in a different way. But we remember we had those two methods, that counterexample and the parallel argument method of proving invalidity. So let's see if we can prove invalidity on this particular argument. We know it's not a valid argument. So let's turn to that.